Hello everyone, as you all can see my hand is a bit dirty because I am kneading a paratha dough. So as usual, our kitchen is always messy, as you all can see. Yeah, morning. So yeah, we're just going to make some breakfast. So here I'm just going to I'm kneading the dough right now, and my mom is making the dal. So yeah, she'll show you that too. Here we're making what dal हम
उड़द की दाल
उड़द की दाल बना रहे हैं. इसके लिए हमने एक large onion ले ली है. So as you all can see, it's getting fried right now, and that's the dal.
boil आ रही है.
Yeah, boil हो रही है.
So spoon.
So guys, we're just gonna give it a nice mix.
You already put a salt inside.
Yeah, we put some salt for flavor.
To just become set and quick fast.
Oh yeah.
The quick fast thing.
I didn't know that, so sorry.
You must not. I will teach you shortly.
Yeah. So guys, here we're just blending the black pepper for seasoning. So let's blend it.
Using nearly 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon, nearly half teaspoon of crushed chilies we'll be using because we don't eat much hot, so that will be better. And I already added salt in it, and now I'm going to use little bit quarter teaspoon of this pepper powder in the dal straight away right now. So I will show you how the onions are coming. It will take around more 5 minutes or so until becoming brown. We need actually brown for the mash dal, and the dal is already boiling. Boiling point is there. So I have added black pepper powder, just a quarter teaspoon, just to flavor it the dal, because mash ki dal don't have such flavors. It's a plain one, so I use it black pepper powder to make it flavor. This is going to be done soon. It will be done soon, inshallah. Now it's already ready here, and we will be using 1 teaspoonful of ginger garlic paste, freshly homemade. After this, onion will be red, and we will be using ginger garlic paste in this one, but it has to be more like little bit more golden, like a biryani pyaz. That's the same one. And just this boiling point, so probably I will add 1 pinch of baking soda to make it, 1 or 2 pinch of baking soda to make it more.
So guys, I've just added the ginger garlic paste, and I'm just washing the coriander, so I'll just show you guys that. So guys, here I've got this thing, I don't know what it's called actually, but I'm just going to make the parathas with this amazing roller pin. And so let's start. So guys, I've got these 3 balls ready, the dough. So I'm just going to roll it and make a paratha. So let's get started. So here I'm going to use is the khushki, which is a flour. You can use plain flour though. Well, I'm using khushki at the moment. I'm just gonna like wrap it around. Okay, they're watching a movie. You can all hear that. So here I'm just gonna roll it. And then I'm just gonna flip it over and roll it again. Flip it over, roll it again. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add some oil, like a very tiny bit of oil. So there. So guys, I'm just going to like apply the oil on this dough and then do this and then that. And there we go, we've got a triangle ready to go. So now we're just going to roll it with the roller pin again. This is like my best morning breakfast. Like, I just love these parathas for some reason. Well, I'm not really good at rolling them. Well, I'm just trying my best. Yeah, see, my mom is telling me to put some khushki, so I'm just going to add that because I forgot to. So there. And a little bit more, and then apply it all over, and there we go. Now we're just going to roll it with the roller pin, and then roll it again. Yeah, and we're okay. I'm not really that good at this, except my mom and my sister. They're just like amazing at making these. So. Like, this should supposed to be turning out a round shape. I'm trying my best, but as y'all can see, I don't think this wants to turn round. Some sort of a Japan map looking. Japanese map. And there we go. So now we're done, and this is gonna go on the tawa, which is, I'm just gonna show you guys this. So guys, there are no background noises now, so I can just start it calmly. So I've got the stove ready, and I'm just going to put the paratha. Okay, as I told you, I'm not a regular maker of this. Very poor. I'm just trying my best. So yeah, it looks like an England map. No, it looks like, I don't know what sort of map it looks like, but okay. So yeah, we'll just wait until there's like bubbles coming up on the top, and then we're just going to add some little, like very little oil, and we're just gonna flip it over, and we'll do that. So as y'all can see, it is taking time. No, it's not. Look, I can see the bubbles. Can you all see it? See, that one over there. So now, the bubbles. Okay. Okay, don't look at the corner of this. It's a bit dirty. So, we are going to add some oil. Well, I'm using vegetable oil, or you can use sunflower oil. You can just use olive oil, any oil of your choice. So I'm just going to add this. Then just put it like a bit on the top. As I told you, I'm not a regular maker of this. Well, my mom and sister are like geniuses, super, I don't know what to say, but they're very good at making this all. So, yeah, I'm just going to bring a flipper. Where's my flipper? Okay, never mind. Okay, I've got this, the spoon. I can't find the flipper, sorry. And then just stir it over, and as you can see, it looks gorgeous. I mean delicious. Sorry. So let it cook for like seconds. Don't let it burn. I'll say the main tip for you guys. Don't let it burn, or else the taste will be like not that good. Okay. No, actually, I'm gonna turn around again. So if you start feeling it's not that cooked. So guys, I think this is perfectly cooked. I'm just going to take this out in a plate. Wait, let me just go bring a plate. I've got a plate. Just gonna take it out in this. Okay, there. Our paratha the first paratha is ready. So I am just going to put this aside and we'll start making another one. So guys, we're going to start making a second one. I had already done these small balls ready, so I can just start rolling them. So first tip you do is put in the flour, and that's done. Okay, then just gonna roll it. I hope this one gets a bit roundy other than the first one. First one was like, I don't know what sort of map it was looking like. So there. Yep. And then I'm just going to add some oil, like about that much in. I'm just gonna give it a nice mix, apply it all over it. Just going to, okay, don't put like excessive amount. I'm just going to roll it. I want to try this out, like a layer coming out paratha. I hope this turns out well. So, okay, wait. That looks like a shell now. Anyway, just going to add some flour on the top. Ding, 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 ding. And there. Just going to roll it nice and gentle. Don't be like hard on the dough that you have to be round like I am doing it right now. But look, as y'all can see, it is starting to get a bit round. I don't know what happened to the other end. Okay, for some reason now this looks like a heart shape to me. Yeah guys, don't you see? It looks like a heart shape. Ding, ding. It's got to do. Okay, it was supposed to be round, but never mind. Making the best shapes out of. So there, we've got a heart-shaped one ready. So we're just going to roll it a bit more to have the perfect sides ready to go. Oops. I was not supposed to roll that. Okay. So that's ready, and now this is going to go on the tawa again. So guys, I'm just going to put it on the tawa. There. Now this doesn't look like a heart-shaped one. I was looking a minute ago. Why am I making maps? Oh god. Wait for the bubbles. Then we'll have 2 parathas ready to eat with the lal. Okay guys, as y'all can see, the all bubbles getting started. I'm just going to high the flame up. Just wait and see. Okay, it's not well that cooked. Just wait for another 2 seconds. So guys, now I'm just going to add some oil and spread around. Okay, that's done. I'm just going to flip it over. Oops. Wait. Yeah, that surely looks like a map, doesn't it? At first I thought I made a heart-shaped one, like a heart-shaped one, but then I don't know what happened. It just looks like another map of Italy. Wait for another 2 seconds and we're just going to see. Okay, I have to wait for another 2 seconds. So repeat this procedure for like the rest of the parathas and it will turn out very delicious, I would say. Because in my opinion, I love parathas with dal. It's like my favorite morning breakfast. It just is. Well, okay, wait, we're just going to turn it up. What's wrong with this? Okay, never mind. Just going to take it out, and we're done making this. So guys, our paratha and our dal is ready to eat. So I'm just going to test it and tell you guys how it is. Just break it. Okay. Just like that. It is delicious. Do try it out. Okay, just let me finish it. So do try it out, guys. Like, share, and give a thumbs up if you like the video of my morning breakfast. So till then, share my videos, subscribe my channel. Until then, we'll see you. Bye, and have a good day.